Before you place your next trade, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt that sudden rush when your heart jumps, your chest tightens, and your hand starts moving toward the buy or sell button, almost on autopilot? It happens fast, almost too fast to control. One moment, you're watching the chart, and the next, you feel the impulse taking over, as if the market is acting through you instead of you acting with intention. If this feels familiar, you are not alone. This emotional snap is one of the most common triggers behind rushed and unplanned trades. The good news is that you can interrupt this reaction in just a few seconds. Today, I will show you a simple breathing drill that breaks the impulse before it becomes a decision. Welcome back to the ComLucro channel. This video is part of our series, Psychology Mindset Workout for Traders. And today, we are focusing on a technique called impulse interruption breathing. This method is supported by research in neuroscience and stress regulation. Studies from Stanford University and the University of Wisconsin show that slow, controlled exhalations activate the parasympathetic nervous system. This system is responsible for lowering stress, reducing cortisol levels, and restoring mental clarity. In simple terms, your breath can send a physical message to your brain that the situation is safe, even when your emotions feel intense. This technique matters because trading pressure builds fast. A sudden candle spike, a missed entry, or a fast move against your position can trigger an automatic stress response in less than half a second. When this happens, your amygdala, the emotional center of your brain, becomes more active and pushes you toward impulsive reactions. Slow breathing interrupts that process. It shifts activity back to the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for logic, risk assessment, and good decision-making. That is why this drill is so effective. It gives you enough calm to act with clarity instead of emotion. Impulse interruption breathing is simple, fast, and something you can use right before any trade or anytime you feel pressure rising. With repetition, your body learns to respond faster, and the technique becomes an automatic reset that keeps you stable, even in high-stress moments.